Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit drawing on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option. First I will remove unnecessary part from this drawing. Select this eraser tool and draw which part you want to remove. In this way you can remove. Now click on the selection option and select annotation and select a drawing, and this right side bar here you will find this properties option. Here you can change the drawing color and this drawing opacity also you can change, and this drawing thickness, and also I'll change this one opacity and color and so on. And you can rotate your drawing if needed. Also you can increase decrease drawing size and so on, and also you can move it anywhere. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.